Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Robinhood app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically to install Robinhood app, all you need to do is just to go to your Play Store or App Store. It depends on your uh, operation system or OS that you are using in your phone, and basically that's it. And after that, you will need just to go to store. But first, make sure that you are in eligible country to have these accounts or this application. And basically, you will need to have a US Play Store or a UK Play Store so you can be able to find Robinhood. So here, if we go to the Play Store, and I'm just going to going in, and I'm just going to click Not Now, and basically I'm just going to searching for the Robinhood, and basically I won't find this application. All you will find is the Robinhood wallet, which concerns only the crypto. And even if I go to the Robinhood uh, company, I won't find the other application. So basically for that, you will be needing to change the country of your store and make sure to that it will be US or UK so you can find the Robinhood app. And basically after that, you will be able to start installing the Robinhood app. You click on it by clicking on download. You just add your PIN, etc. And now you're good to go to start using your Robinhood app by logging into your account, etc. And basically, as I said, you will need just to search on how to change your store region, and then you will click just on install for the Robinhood application, and basically that's it. So simply, those were the steps that you can follow so you can be able to install the Robinhood app. Thank you for watching and see you next time.